Hello friends, welcome to Shekran channel. Today is day 9 of SQL interview preparation. Friends, if you don't watch the previous videos, please click on the channel name and watch the previous videos.
Hello friends, today we can discuss about these three problems. First one is returning customer who's made consecutive purchase for 2 days. It is asked in Walmart. Then next we can find chart customers, number of orders in last 6 months. It is asked in Amazon. Then next we can calculate cumulative revenue by day. It is asked in Adobe. Now we can see one by one. Friends, now we can create the table orders. We can select this and create the table. In order table we have order ID, customer ID, and order date. Then next we can insert the values. We can select this and we can select the insert the data successfully. Now we can write the code for this problem: return customer who made consecutive purchases for 2 days.
In CPC, this is the code for finding the retrieve customers who made consecutive purchases in 2 days. Here we can create the CD function. In the CD function, we can write the customer ID and order date. We can use the lag function to find the previous order date. We can use the function over. We can partition by customer ID and order by order date. We can name it as a previous order date. It's take from orders table. We can select customer ID order date previous order date from CTE. We can where date of order date and previous order date equal to 1, which can those matches. We can take it as the 2 consecutive orders. We can select this and run. We can see this. There is 2 customer IDs 101 and 103 as the consecutive orders. We can see order date 2 and 1. Here also third month and 1 and 2 is ordered. Now we can go to the next problem. Find channel customers no orders in last 6 months. First we can insert the table and data. Friends, if you see this, we can insert the table first. We can select this and run. Table is inserted successfully. Then next we can insert the values. This is also same table. Order ID, customer ID, and order data only presence. We can find channel customers no order in last 6 months. Friends, after inserting the data, this is the code for finding the no orders from last 6 months customer ID. In here we can select customer ID from orders table, then group by using customer ID. We can do the having max order date greater than current minus interval of 6 months. It can be filtered the last 6 months values. We can select this and run. Here you see 101, 102, 103, 104 don't have the orders from the last 6 months. Now see, we can see the last problem calculate cumulative revenue by day. It is asked in Adobe. We can first insert the table and values. I can give a single tip. If you see the drop table, if exist orders, this is the code for if already present the order table. If you do you want to delete the previous table and create the new table, you can use this code for deleting the previous table. You can select this and run. If the previous table is deleted, then now we can create the new table with the same table name. You can select this and run. This new table is created successfully. Orders. In this orders table, we have the order ID, order date, and total amount. Then next we can insert the values. We can select this and run. Insert the values successfully. Then next we can write the code for finding the cumulative revenue by day. And this is the code for finding the cumulative revenue by day. Here we can use the window function. We can first select order date, then we can sum the total amount, and we can use the over partition by order date. We can name it as cumulative revenue. We can also take it from the orders table. We can select this and run. We can get the output of order date and cumulative revenue, if you can see. Friends, if you gain knowledge from my videos, please like, share, subscribe to Shekran channel.